Oh my goodness, it's a bit windy today on the island of Sodor. Oh, I hope that the wind doesn't bother me.
Goodness gracious.
She can't! My hat!
Oh boy, it sure have been a windy day here on Sodor. Where's your hat, sir? You lost your hat? Okay, sir, just calm down. We'll look here for one. Gosh, this winter's getting crazy. Whoa, is that an umbrella? And a newspaper. And oh my lord, is that a cow? Which cow it belongs to? Come back here, Deja boy. Come back here. Oh, hi, Ernie. Bye, Ernie. Boy, Ernie the tractor has to keep his cows in for leaving. Oh, what a windy day that strong is. Wait a minute, is that a topham? Get this turd off of me. Gosh, man, this tent is always in my way. Goodness gracious me, will that wind ever stop blowing on me? Boy, my paintcoat's gotta get covered with thickness. And by the way, I got the topham hat. What's the big deal? So that's where you find my hat. Well done, James. Yeah, well done, James. You truly deserve a red paint. Now, give me back my hat. Now! Oh, okay, sir. Well, just to let you know, I don't have any hands, but, yeah, I best be going up with my train. So, later, guys. Later, Percy. My best man. Well, at least you got your hat, sir, safe and sound.
Attention all hands, it's Salty's song time.
Oh boy, song time. I guess what song will we listen today?
If you think you're safe, you're wrong, it's an airbag. Sleep with one eye open, pillows airbag. Taking tests at school, desk is airbag. Riding on a mule, name, it's an airbag. Let's go! Your mother's an airbag, brother's an airbag, teacher's an airbag, teachers are an airbag. Don't be a drag, embrace the bag. Hating on airbags, red flag. Grandma's an airbag, grandpa's an airbag, cousin's an airbag, big loving airbag. Yo mama bag, yo llama bag, pajamas bag, bananas bag. Airbag, airbag, everything around you is airbag. Keep it going! Sailing on a boat, it's an airbag. Cleaning up with soap, nope, an airbag. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it, airbag. Hit that subscribe button, like an airbag. Like and subscribe, yeah! Moon is an airbag, moon is an airbag, air takes airbag, airbags airbag. You don't care about this airbag egg, too bad. Stop being a drag. Baldy's an airbag, volleyball airbag, Freddy's an airbag, Freddy's an airbag. Tommy airbag, mommy airbag, honey airbag, pony.
Dubstep. Just kidding. I'm an airbag.
This is getting ridiculous. Not everything can be an airbag.
Sorry, did you say something, Pear?
I don't want to get surprised by airbags anymore.
Sure thing. There's the exit.
Wait, what's happening to me? Why do I feel so?
Hey, that cloud looks kinda like an airbag. BFFs can finish each other's airbags. Grass is green and 1 + 1 is airbag. I'm sorry to inform you that the lumps on your butt are hemorrhoids. There's a cream for that. Doggy's an airbag, froggy's an airbag. Knock, knock, who's there? Fool, it's an airbag. Pants are an airbag, France is an airbag. And a 6th sense, he's an airbag. Kittens are airbag, chickens are airbag. Turtle's secret recipe, 2 cups airbag. Too much airbag, maybe a tad. But I'm not listening, so tell it to Brad. Airbag, airbag. Everything around you is airbag. Break it down. Hey, ladies. Yeah, ladies. Yeah. What you really, really want? Airbag. Fellas.
Yeah.
Fellas.
Yeah.
Hit me with it 2 times.
Airbag.
Pear.
What?
Pear.
What?
What you think you're standing on?
Probably an airbag.
Pear.
What?
Pear.
What?
It's actually a portal to dimension airbag.
Wow.
Dimension airbag, dimension airbag. Song's getting weird now. Dimension Watch out for that Zeppelin, it's an airbag. Will you take the blue pill or the airbag? Cannot tell what's real, what's an airbag? Do it! Yo-yo is airbag, Chrono is airbag, Deuce, Bigelow, Mega airbag, High Five airbag, Wi-Fi airbag, Best YouTuber, annoying Morning is airbag, evening is airbag. Miley came in like a wrecking airbag. Where is airbag? There is airbag.